friends, running kimono here. Sorry, my voice cracked. I'm just so excited. We have more 90% off food and I just can't help myself. And then, believe it or not, I actually went to Rite Aid. So I don't really shop there very much these days, but we'll talk about this. It is a spend 60, get back 20. And this was like, I think like a $4 or $5 moneymaker for me, or like a $6 moneymaker after everything's said and done. So I'll share that with you. The weather report, kind of a cooler, sort of miserable sort of day. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. And there is the intrepid Gizmo, and he's looking for flies. Look at him, isn't he so sweet? Hi, Gizmo. Okay, so the first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens. You got to do this in store, and a lot of this food is 90% off, so it is crazy. And even if you just find these in the store, ask a cashier for a price check because you might be surprised. Some of this stuff might be actually on clearance. So this one is called the Nips, Caramel Nips. And it's supposed to be sugar-free, but I looked at this. There's a lot of sugar alcohol in there, so I don't know about that. And it expires July of 2022. Look at the expiry dates on the back or on the containers, or even squeeze them to see how old they are. You know, the old squeeze test. 35 cents for this bag, so 90% off. We have some of these nice pumpkin seeds, and I'm glad I only bought a couple bags because these are a little bit harder to chew. I haven't had pumpkin seeds in a long time. These were 29 cents in the regular snack aisle and also at checkout. Look for them high and low. These Mike and Ike's, they're called Red Rageous. This flavor only 17 cents per box. Kind of a funny story for you. At this one store, this lady went and found me because she saw I was looking for clearance food. And she like barreled out of nowhere, this cashier at the front. And she's like, are you looking for some clearance food? And she pointed at these and she's like, they're 17 cents each. I'm like, candy lady, thank you so much. And then she started laughing. She just loved that. And then she also pointed out these Trident vibes to me. She's like, this is also on clearance. So sometimes it's pretty good to humor the cashiers, make them laugh because they can really show you where all the stuff is. And this was not tagged either. 17 cents for these Mike and Ike's. I did get quite a few. And then the Trident Vibes, this is a really good buy. On clearance for 50 cents, but this gum is on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. So for two of them, 75 cents. I got a whole bunch. And the original price for one of these tubs is, I think, $4.99. And yeah, $4.99 for this. And it's a peach flavored gum. This is a product I thought my husband might be interested. It's these little skinny almonds for 49 cents. The original price point was $4.99. And of course I had to get more of these Carolina Reapers because I think it's pretty funny. I actually tried these and they're quite good. If you're doing a low carb diet, you know, this just, anything with spice, it's permitted. And these were also 49 cents. So I got 10 more at a different store. And I was just looking high and low. And then, you know, Candy Lady certainly came in clutch for me. She's just like, laughing and stuff, and I'm like, do you want some of this? She's like, no. She's like, ha ha ha. It's just so silly calling the cashier Candy Lady, but she just started showing me her stuff was not tagged, but it was ringing up really cheap. One thing I did find was a whole bunch of circus peanuts for 10 cents, and I didn't buy a single one because honestly, guys, I just took the circus peanut and I went like this, like just to like touch the bag, and I think you could have broken a tooth like chewing one. They were so hard and old. And I asked her, I'm like, are these normal? She's like, Candy Lady just told me that's how they come in. It's just a really harder candy. It's kind of like a marshmallow consistency. There's no peanuts. It's just the name of it. These were harder than a rock. Like you could take out your tooth with it. So I left them all at the store, and no, they were not expired. It was just a weird scene. That's a weird marshmallowy kind of treat. I've never been a fan of circus peanuts. So I just left them all at the store, but very happy with my haul. And I used Walgreens cash and register rewards to pay this down because I'm out of control. This was a really fun haul. I love it when food is so cheap. Okay, and my Dollar General haul, where is it? Where's all your stuff? I actually had a family member come and visit, and it was in the back of my car, and I just threw it from my car to their car with a couple bags that I had of paper products. I thought they could use it. So I don't have it to show you to you, but visit yesterday's video. I go through the breakdown, show the receipts where I found stuff in the store and the digital coupons to load and how to make that happen. It's all going to be linked at the very end. Very good video to get these paper products for $1.72. You can't beat that. Okay, so over at Rite Aid, not everybody has a Rite Aid store, but they have masks and these hand sanitizers, the 8-ounces completely for free. They had a whole display of them right near the pharmacy. So if you're in need of hand sanitizer, it's either the small ones or these ones. They expire, I think, in August, but still I'm very happy to get 16 ounces of hand sanitizer for free. And I have used this one before in the past. It's not very smelly or perfumey. Very happy to have it. Okay guys, so as I was telling you, I did a $60 basket here. So this week in the flyer, there is a spend 60, get back 20, or you can get it through your email or what have you. Look for the flyer online, you'll probably find it. So this is a $60 basket. So the P&G this week, and these are the larger Tides, they are $12.94. So I grabbed 3 of them. I had a digital, I printed 1 coupon from P&G Good Every Day. And then for Bounty, it was $7.49, and we had a $1 digital coupon. So right there for all of my P&G products, that's $46.31. Spend 20, get back 5. So I'm gonna get $10 back for spending the 46. And I had a 3 and a 3 and a 1. 3, 3, 1. And then also to get my basket, because I'm at $46.31, I am short from that $60. So in the clearance section, I found these 2 Roto, it's called the Digital Eyes. They are $2.49 on clearance, and IBOTTA has $3 back for each. So that made it a little money maker for me, super smart. And then this is a deal that's been going on all month long, and I haven't even touched it with a 10-foot pole, but I finally did a deal with this. Buy 4 of these, they're $2.50 a piece for $10. Get back $10 in bonus cash, making these completely for free. So adding up all this magic, the 4 P&G products, the 4 5-hour energies, and the 2 Rotos, that's a total of $61.29. I got the cashier to scan my spend 60, get back 20. And then I had $4 of digital coupons, $1 for that, a $3 for that, and 1 $3 coupon for the Tide. So my new total was $45.29. I had some bonus cash on my store card that I just rolled. And then I got back $40 in bonus cash. 20 for the booster, 10 for the P&G, spend 20, get back 5. And then I also got back $10 for the 5-hour energy. IBOTTA gave me back $3 for each of these. And also, P&G has a rebate of spend 50, get back 15. And with this and the stuff that I did at Walgreens this week, I qualify now for that $15 gift card. So it made my haul free plus a $6.71 money maker. Well, thanks everybody for watching my mom's video. I love you all. It's me, Pumpkin. Bye!